Meet your AI property agent. It assists you when your washing machine breaks, helps book a technician, authorizes payments, and syncs everything with your estate platform, automatically, instantly, securely. You don't need to download any extra app. It works right inside any AI assistant like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Simple and convenient. The future of hassle-free home management is here. At the core is Auth0, powering every interaction with secure token vaults, dynamic client registration, and back-channel authentication, making autonomous home management seamless and trusted. You report a broken washing machine. The AI loads only your machine data, verifies your identity, asks a few questions, and analyzes a photo to identify the faulty part. It finds available technicians securely, lets you choose one, confirms the booking instantly, creates a service ticket, and updates your calendar automatically.
Hello, is this Marcus at All Pro Appliance?
Yes, it is. Who are you?
Thank you for confirming. I am an AI assistant calling on behalf of the renter, Adrian Zeg. I handle maintenance requests for them.
What's happening? What's the issue?
The washing machine, a Samsung model WD85T4046CE, has power to the panel but isn't responding. It briefly showed a 4E error code and made a loud buzzing sound before stopping. It seems to be a water inlet failure, possibly a stuck solenoid valve.
Okay, give me the address and the name of the renter and the unit number as well.
Certainly. The renter's name is Adrian C., and they live at Unit 3A, 600 North Lake Shore Drive in Chicago.
Okay, can I come tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning sounds good. What time window would work best for you?
10:01.
So, between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
That works perfectly.
That's correct. Great. Give me the brand of the machine.
It's a asterisk Samsung asterisk washing machine.
Great. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Marcus. We appreciate your quick response. I'll make sure Adrian has all the details.
The AI checks warranty status, calculates the repair cost, and asks for your approval. For sensitive actions like payment, it triggers client-initiated back-channel authentication, so you can securely approve the transaction without breaking the conversation or switching to another app. A one-time verification code confirms it's really you, and the payment is processed safely using tokenized credentials. Every action is logged, tokens expire after use, and your repair is confirmed, booked and paid, without extra apps, extra friction, or extra effort. This is more than home management. This is the future. Autonomous, secure, and powered by AI agents that don't just answer questions, they get things done. AI agents are becoming the new interface for the real world, and Auth0 is what makes that future secure, trusted, and ready to scale.